And today we are in beautiful El Tunco, El Salvador, baby. And we are going to Surf City to check out, that's right, the surfers of El Salvador. And actually, people come from all over the world to Surf City. But we're actually going to check it out by drone. I'm going to throw the drone up. We're going to track them. We're actually going to give them a little point system too. So let's see who does surfing the best in El Salvador. We got our first surfer. He's got it. Oh, he's on it. He's on it. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's still holding on. He's still holding on. Oh, he's still. Oh man, he riding it out. Oh, still. Oh. Yeah, give it up for him, man. Give it up. Give it up. All right, let's go back and see if anyone else is ready to catch the wave. Most of these guys, they just kind of sit out here and wait for the big one to come through. I saw earlier they were a lot more waves. This is kind of like in the midday, but early mornings when they all come out to surf when the sunrise, early morning sunrise, they come. Oh, I think we got our next one. Okay. Oh man, he should have kept going. He had it. Oh, round of applause for him though. Yes. I'm gonna give him a 6. I'm gonna give the first guy a 9.5. All right, let's get back to the action. Let's see who's gonna be up next. Who's our third person? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh man. They said it's not a good one. They waiting for it. We got somebody in the back over there. Look like somebody in the back riding. Nah, I think they stopped. Yeah, let's get a little better position. Let's see who's next. Somebody coming. A lot of them coming back from the shore. Let's back up a little bit. All right. I see somebody. Okay, oh man. I'll give him a 3. Okay. Oh. Almost. Okay, we got some action back here. Oh. Okay, I got one. I thought I saw somebody. Okay, he must have wiped out. Let's see. Do we have anybody else? Okay. They just waiting patient. Look like somebody in the back. I think somebody about to catch this one coming. Let's see. Okay. I think we got us one. Oh yeah, he's riding it. Okay. Oh, got the tricks. Okay. All right. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Give it up for my guy right there. He may have tied the other guy. That was about I don't know, I may have to give him a 9.7. He threw about 2 little tricks up in there. Okay. That was dope. All right, so let's get back to the action here. Let's see if we have a 4th contestant here. They're still waiting for the big one. Being patient. It's all about patience with this surfing. But out of the first 3, which ones did you like the most? I think number 3, he definitely did his thing. But I don't know if we'll have a 4th one. Let's just see and hope we can get another guy here on the drone. I think we got our 4th guy right here. Okay. Oh man. That was good nonetheless. But hope you enjoyed this. Give me your top 3 or 4. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'm gone.